Welcome back, guys. This is Mick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And we're about to do a full lot walk. All right, let's get it.
I wanted it soon and mine. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
All right, guys, welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today, we're doing a full lot walk. We got some new inventory. We just updated maplemotors.com, so definitely check out the website. You can go there and get detailed pictures, financing options, shipping options. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post vehicles every single day. We go for test drives, walk-arounds. All you gotta have is the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can find any of our vehicles. Just like this one, type in 1969 Camaro, Maple Motors, and it'll pop up on YouTube here. We're gonna walk around the lot, point out all the new cars, kind of give you an idea of what we just got in. We're gonna start right up here in the corner. We do have a 69 Camaro sitting here for $26,900. Right beside that's a 1970 Chevelle, $23,900. You can see under hood shots on my website, or just watch the detailed description videos that are on here. This is a 1971 Chevelle for $22,900. Right next to that, another 71. This one just came in. It's $22,900. New inventory here. Test drives are not up on this one yet. They will be in the next day or so. Right next to that, a 1967 Chevelle. This one's $25,900. And then for $39,900 is a 68 Charger. '97 Camaro Lt1 car. Right at 100,000 miles, $79.50. Pretty decent car here. We got a whole bunch of new Mustangs in we just picked up. Right behind the Camaro. I believe we got a 1968 Mustang Convertible. $24,900 on that one. Right beside that, another Mustang for $12,900. This is a 1966 model. Another new one that just came in. Another new one, another 66 model for $12,900. Right beside that, we got a 4-speed Camaro, $19,900. That's a 71 model. Another Camaro, $20,900. That's a 70 model. 71 Nova for $15,900 right behind that. Two-tone. Videos are up on it as well. 67 Nova right beside that for $26,900. Picking up some Novas here. Try to group them up. '66 right beside that, 4-speed, $27,900. Black on black, bucket seats. We're gonna run down through the back of the lot, and then we're gonna come up in front and the left side. Still got a ton of cars over there. 72 C10. This is a C10 pickup truck somebody converted into a panel wagon. That one's $12,900. New little showroom that we got in there. We just store cars, the nicer ones. We'll be walking in there right towards the end of the video, showing you what's in there. 55 3100 Cameo for $34,900. Making our way back here to the truck row, and then we'll come up towards the front of the lot. Nice little 1500 pickup truck, 7950. This is an 88 model. Right beside that, a 68 C10 for $22,900. Be sure to go back, look at the detailed descriptions on my website, watch the test drive videos, walk-arounds. This video is to show you what's all came through the lot or what's here. All right, right beside that, we got a 1969 F100 for $14,900. And then we got a 70 model K20 for $14,900. Did videos on it last week, right midweek. Pretty good running and driving truck. Jeep Rubicon, $12,900. That's a 2007 model. I think we got a 07 model Mustang back here we just picked up. On 6950 5-speed. If I'm not mistaken, it's the California Special car. It's got the stickers on it, but and of course the Lincoln limo. It's not quite ready for sale. Definitely cool though. 86 model Suburban for $12,900. There's a camper back here too, guys, if you want to buy a camper. There's one for sale. An 06 model 1500 pickup truck, 4-wheel drive, $69.50. Got that on the website as well. Let's walk up to the front here and go look at some of the other new stuff. International Scout. Runs and drives great. $17,900. I believe that was a 76 model. We haven't had very many of them at all. This truck is available, $16,900. 1965 model C10. Right behind this is a pickup truck with a flatbed on it. This is a custom flatbed truck for $15,900. It's a 1970 model. Coming back around, I don't think this little Mustang's gonna make it. It's a 67 model. We got these two already sold and on hold. The Corvette behind it and the Trans Am is already sold. That's what kind of buried those cars. HHR SS. $14,900, 46,000 miles. Got a good look to it. Got the Duster sitting here, $89.50. It's got all the good stuff, needs a paint job. This is more of a project car. This is a 1974 model. Right beside that, we've already sold, is the Challenger Convertible. It's a good piece, definitely got that on there. I think that was a 70 model as well. El Camino right beside that, $10,900. 77 model. This was a new piece y'all haven't seen yet, $89.50 on the Cutlass. It's a 1986 model. IROC Z just came in. Convertible, $89.50. It's a 88 model. And then mid or early 80s Corvette, $12,900. I think it's an 81. Definitely got all that. We got to hit the front of the office. This right here is a 1960 Impala. It's got a 348 under the hood, 4-speed, 20,900. Right beside that's a 1963 Impala. We've already sold it. '61 Bel Air. It's a 4-door car, 17.9. And a 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Ville on spokes. This one's 12.9. All right, guys, we're gonna do another little walk around on the whole lot, go into the warehouse in just a second. I'll be right back. All right, guys, one more quick breeze through of the lot. Oh, we can review whatever we've went by. I want to tell you, you can jump on maplemotors.com to see detailed pictures of every one of these cars, see all the new inventory that has came in. We got finance options. We've got shipping options. There's also previous inventory on there. Some people want to see some of the previous stuff that we've picked up before. So definitely check that out. And of course, here on YouTube, there's about 1,500 videos of cars coming through this lot. Walk-arounds, test drives, you name it. Doing videos every single day. Try to keep y'all updated. The little truck row back here. If you do see something you like, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Got the Jeep right behind that for 12.9. Got the Suburban back there, the Lincoln, the Mustang, the Scout International, C10, the flatbed truck. Old Cameo sitting there. Y'all know about that one. HHRSS. All right, guys, let's go check out the showroom real quick. Not a whole lot of new stuff in there, but we do got some nice cars that we have picked up. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I do try to post videos like every single day, keeping y'all informed. These vehicles over here are personal rides and they're not for sale, so please don't call on them. But we do have these rides for sale. I think the two Corvettes back there may be sold already. This is a pretty much all original car. Definitely check out the video on this one. Just type in 1955 Bel Air. This one's $69.9. Definitely most expensive car that we've ever picked up. And then right behind that's a 93 Cobra with low miles. I think it was like 25.9. And then right here's a 1929 Street Rod for $27.9. That was a great test drive. One of my favorites of last week, that's for sure. I liked riding down the road in that one. A couple Corvettes sitting here. This one's already sold. I do appreciate y'all watching. Like I said multiple times, check my website out. I do have instructional videos on here that I made last week of how to purchase a car from us. That way it makes your buying experience easier. So definitely be looking for that. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.